In this video we're going to do the half double crochet, and it is a puff stitch. So the puff stitch can exist of many different wrappings and how many times you will go into a particular stitch. So I'm just gonna say it's 3. So what I want to do is that it's a half double crochet, so I'm gonna wrap the hook. I'm just gonna skip one and go to the next one over and pull through. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that total 3 times. The pattern will tell you how many times you need to put it into the same hook. Hole or a stitch. So wrap the yarn going into the same stitch and then pull through. And then you're gonna do it one more time. Wrap the yarn going in and pull through. So you got like a kind of like a mess on your hook. It's kind of like a lumpy space here, and you'll notice that there's a bit of a space here. So what you wanna do for a puff stitch is that you're gonna yarn over and you're gonna only pull through that section. So you're not gonna go all the way through, and then you're gonna yarn over and finish it. See the nice way that looks? So let's just say we're gonna do that again. So let's just jump to this next one. And so it's a half double crochet. So I'm gonna wrap the hook and going in, and you really wanna keep your tension nice and loose, because if you're too tight you're never gonna get your hook through this. So just yarning over, and you're only gonna pull through this section here. Leave the last one untouched, and then yarn over, pull through, and that is your half double crochet puff stitch.